Hey, my name is Tiffany, and I chose to do my lesson plan over the winter season. Um, Winter is such an easy subject. You can use with many activities, and all the domains can be used in all the subject areas. The expected learning outcomes, the learner will understand. For each season, animals make particular preparations or changes. The learner will learn about winter and its characteristics. The learner will understand each winter season has characteristic kinds of recreation activities, and each learner will understand each season has holidays that always fall within its boundaries. Okay, my first activity is going to be Bear's First Winter. Little bear's name is Chaucer, and my book is pretty ragged because my kids love this book. Chaucer his friends are telling him about they're going to miss him, and he's like, well, where will I be while you're missing me? And they're like, well, you'll be sleeping. And he asked his parents, and they said, yes, you'll be hibernating at this time. But he gets to experience his first snow. And the parents are watching, at the cave, just making sure that, he's safe. And his friends have a lot of fun with him, and he gets to experience it. My second activity is art creativity, and to make a snowy winter art picture. Supplies are cotton balls and Q-tips, and then I lost my glitter. And you can make snowy pictures and snowflakes. And then with my movement activity, was the third activity, I got some paper plates. And you can get the cheaper paper plates, but all I have are the better ones here. But you're going to let the kids practice mimicking ice skating around the room, telling them not to pick up their feet. And for my next activity is build a snowman. So I'm going to make a math game out of it. Children will roll a dice and identify with the numeral and count out that amount of snowman pieces, and then add the pieces to make the snowman. There are 10 pieces in all until they have it completed. And materials needed are like two pieces of the white felt, the stiff kind. And you do a black hat, a blue scarf. It's supposed to be wiggle eyes, but all I had was buttons. And then you'll do 3 buttons and then orange felt nose. And right there is my nose, or you could use a button. And that's always fun. The kids will have fun doing that. And then for the Dramatic Play Center, you need to include a basket full of winter clothing and mittens, hat, scarf, muffs. And this goes well with the book Froggy Gets Dressed by Jonathan Linden. That's going to be it. If you guys have any questions, just drop it by and I'll try to answer it.